Hello everyone. Today we see continued part of the prose Gentleman of Rio en Medio. That is part number 2. First of all, we see glossary words and their meanings. First one, ragged means torn. In Kannada, harida. Second one, deed means agreement, ಒಪ್ಪಂದ. Third one, beyond gente means good people, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಜನರು. Fourth one, janitor means doorkeeper. In Kannada, ದ್ವಾರಪಾಲಕ. Fifth one, orchard, fruit trees plant, ಫಲೋದ್ಯಾನ. Sixth one, Charlie Chaplin, silent film comedian. The author and Americans went to meet Don Anselmo. There was a great deal of conversation about Rain and his family, and he was very proud of his large family. Finally, they got down to business. According to an agreement, he would sell his 8 acres land to Americans for $1,200 in cash. But Americans sent the surveyor to survey his land. According to them, he owned more than 8 acres land. That is, his land extended across the river, and he owned almost twice as much as he thought. ಲೇಖಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ನರು ಡಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಲ್ಮನ್ ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಲು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಮಳೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಂತರ ಅವರು ವ್ಯವಹಾರಿಕ ಮಾತುಕತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಲ್ಮೋ ತನ್ನ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಎಕರೆ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನ $1,200 ಮಾರಿದ್ದನು. ಆದರೆ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ನರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಡಾನ್ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಮೋ 8 ಎಕರೆಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತಾನೆ. Author Juan A. Cedillo said, these Americans were good people and they were willing to pay for the additional land. That is almost twice what they had quoted earlier. ಅಮೆರಿಕನರ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಆಥರ್ ಜಾನ್ ಎ ಸೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಧ್ವನಿಗೂಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಅಮೆರಿಕನರ್ ಹೇಳುವ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಡಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಲ್ಮೋ ನೀವು 8 ಎಕರೆಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ನರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಹಣವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲು ಬಯಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. By hearing these statements, the old man thought for a while and he felt insulted and he refused the offer because he was a man of principles. According to him, he had agreed to sell his house as well as land for $1,200, and that's the final price. So finally he signed a deed and took the money and refused to take extra money. Then he shook hands, put on his ragged gloves, took his stick and walked out with the boy behind him. ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ನರು ಮತ್ತು ಆಥರ್ ಜಾನ್ ಎ ಸೆಡಿಲೋ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ ಆಲಿಸಿ ಅವರು ನೀಡಿದ ಆಫರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಡಾನ್ ಅನ್ಸೆಲ್ಮೋ ತಿರಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಬ ತತ್ವಗಳಿಗೆ ಬದ್ಧನಾದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರು ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ $1200 ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಒಪ್ಪಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ and the Americans, they talked about rain and the old man's large family. It was, answer for this, to make themselves comfortable, and second one, to prepare everyone for the May. Next question. Why do you think the storyteller spoke Spanish language? When the storyteller said, "These Americans are beyond gentle," we can think that he spoke Spanish language. Third one, the storyteller offered the old man almost the double of what he had quoted earlier. Why? Because Americans sent a surveyor to survey his land. According to him, he owned more than 8 acres. In that survey, his land extended across the river and he owned almost twice as much as he thought. Next question. What was the reaction of the old man to the storyteller's offer? The old man thought for a while and he felt insulted and completely refused the offer because he was a man of principles. According to him, he had agreed to sell his house as well as land for $1,200 and that's the final price. Next question. We respect elders in many ways. For example, we salute them, we obey them, and we greet them, and also we care for them. Question number 6. The storyteller respected the old man by shaking his hand. Seventh one. After the findings of the engineer, the offer was doubled for the old man's land. Did the old man raise the rate? No, the old man didn't raise the rate. Next one. Did the storyteller offer more? Yes, definitely, surely. The storyteller offered more. Question number 9. Don Anselmo took only $1,200 for the land finally because he was a man of principles. Next one, match the following. First one, seller, as usual, Don Anselmo. Next, some Americans, they were buyers. Third one, a young dog boy. He was the follower of the old man. Last question, what did Don Anselmo do as he left the place with the money? As usual, Don Anselmo shook hands all around, put on his ragged gloves, took his stick, and walked out with the boy behind him.